Here is the all you need to know review of MARC JACOBS classical perfume Daisy. I have the black edition, which is another version of the gold and white bottle. The formula, however, remains the same. The base notes in Daisy are white wood, musk, and vanilla. It's a very feminine and beautiful fragrance. This is perfect for any woman who likes a tint of vanilla in her perfume. This is a fragrance that works both during the daytime and at night. This is the perfect gift for a girlfriend or a wife, since the bottle is beautiful to display in your bathroom, and at the same time it's an amazing scent. When I wear this, I get compliments from both men and women, which is a very good thing when it comes to perfumes. Overall, there is a reason this is a classic. No matter if you buy this as a gift or for yourself, you can be sure to get an elegant perfume, and for me it lasts all day.